Now in this video lecture, I am going to discuss the third unit of concentration, that is your molarity. Now what is molarity? Molarity of a solution, is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of the solution. Dissolved in 1 liter of the solution. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि आपके पास सपोज करिए 1 liter solution है. You have your 1 liter solution of say anything, whether it is sodium chloride, potassium chloride, sodium hydroxide. So suppose we have 1 liter solution of sodium hydroxide. In this 1 liter solution of sodium hydroxide, if we have dissolved 0.2 mole of your NaOH, then you can say the molarity is your 0.2. Now, mathematically, molarity is a number of moles of solute. It is your number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. The molarity is denoted by symbol capital M. It is very important because if you write a small m, it will refer another concentration unit, that is your molality. So the molarity is denoted by your capital M. It is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution is liter. Usually if volume is given in milliliter, it is your duty to convert in liter. As you know, 1000 milliliter is equal to your 1 liter, or 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to your 1 liter. There is another unit in which we represent volume, and that unit is your decimeter cube. For your information, 1 decimeter cube is equal to your 1 liter. तो आप क्या करोगे? आपको वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन जिस यूनिट में भी दिया हो, इट इज योर ड्यूटी टू फर्स्ट convert in terms of your liter, and then you can calculate the molarity. For example, we have a question from your NCERT book. The question is, if you see the question is given from in your NCERT book, the question is your calculate, that problem is 1.7. The question is calculate the molarity of NaOH in the solution prepared by dissolving 4 gram in enough water to form 250 ml of the solution. भाई आपको दिया हुआ है amount of NaOH you are dissolving, that is your 4 gram. So what we are doing? We are dissolving 4 gram NaOH. 4 gram NaOH in enough water, in sufficient water, so that the final volume of solution, the volume of solution comes to be your 250 milliliter. Now you have to find the molarity of this solution. आपको क्या करना है? आपको इस सॉल्यूशन की मोलैरिटी निकालनी है. कैसे निकालना? The formula is molarity is equal to, molarity symbolized as capital M. This is your number of moles of solute divided by your volume of solution in liter. Now here solute is your sodium hydroxide. Now volume of solution is given. Volume of solution is your 250 ml. But our first job is to change in liter. So we can write this volume of solution is equal to your 250 divided by 1000. Because 1000 milliliter is 1 liter. It comes to be simply your 0.25. Now what is number of moles? By number of moles of solute चाहिए. So what is number of moles? Number of moles of NaOH. That is your mass of NaOH. Your mass of NaOH divided by your molar mass of NaOH. It is mass of NaOH by molar mass of NaOH. So mass of NaOH is your 4 gram and molar mass is your 40. So we can write this number of mole is simply 4 by 40 and you can say 0.1. तो अब आप इस वैल्यू को पुट कर दीजिए. So what will be the molarity? Your molarity will be number of mole, that is 0.1 by 0.25. But 0.1 by 0.25. If you solve it, then it will comes to be simply 0.4. Now we have a unit. The unit is your 0.4 m, or you may write 0.4 molar, or you may write the molarity is 0.4 mole per liter. So that is your molarity. Now next concentration unit is your molality. There is slight difference in pronunciation. This is your molality. This molality is denoted by small m. Now molality of a solution, is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in per 1000 gram. Here dissolved in per 1000 gram, or you can say per kilogram of the solvent. So here the need is solute and solvent. आप गौर करिएगा, यहाँ वॉल्यूम नहीं है. Here volume is not involved. Here only mass is involved. One is your mole of solute, which is always related with mass, and another is your kg of solvent. For example, if we have a question, first of all, see the mathematical formula for it, how it can be mathematically represented. So molality, that is your small m, this is equal to your number of moles of solute divided by your mass of solvent in kilogram. So if mass of solvent is given in gram, it is your duty to convert in kilogram. और ये आप जानते हो 1000 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1 किलोग्राम. Now suppose we have a question, if 10 gram of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 100 gram of sodium hydroxide solution, then find the molarity, then find the molarity of this solution. The question is, we have 10 gram of sodium hydroxide which is being dissolved in 100 gram of NaOH solution. क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से सुनिएगा. हमारे पास NaOH solution है. We have NaOH solution. In this NaOH solution, the mass of solution is there, that is your 100 gram. Now in this solution we have dissolved 10 gram of NaOH. 10 gram of NaOH. Now, as from the formula of molality, see this is molality, okay, this is molality is equal to number of moles of solute. What is the solute? भाई यहाँ solute क्या है? Your solute is NaOH. तो इसका number of mole आप निकाल लीजिए. How we can calculate the number of mole of NaOH? That we can calculate, you know, number of mole we calculate. This number of mole is your mass of NaOH divided by molar mass, that is 10 by 40, that is your 0.25. ठीक है, तो हमने इसको 10 by 40 कर दिया. That is number of mole of NaOH divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. We need mass of solvent. हमें दिया क्या गया है? हमें दिया गया है mass of solution. हमारे पास है mass of solution. Now this solution is composed of solute and solvent. So how we can calculate what is the mass of solvent? Mass of solvent is your mass of solute plus mass of solvent is your mass of solution minus mass of solute. So mass of solution is your 100 gram minus mass of solute is your 10 gram. So 90 gram is your water. So 90 gram is your water. It is the solvent. Mass of solvent हमको चाहिए, mass of solution नहीं चाहिए. So mass of solvent is 90 gram divided by 1000. Now why we divide by 1000? Because we have to change the mass of solvent in kilogram. If it is given in gram, it is our duty to convert in kilogram. So this value is your 10 by 40 into 1000 by simply 90. This 0 cancel, this 0 cancel. It is 100 by 36. Now what will be the unit of molality? Either you write a small m or you may write this much mole per kg. या तो आप लिख देंगे 100 by 36 के बाद स्मॉल m, और इन words you can write this much molar, or you may write as mole per kg. So that is your molarity. Now at last there is a very interesting question. The question is that which of the unit either molarity or molality. Whether your molarity or your molality is better to express the concentration of a solution. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर आपको कोई पूछे कि मोलैरिटी और मोलैलिटी में कौन बेटर यूनिट है कंसंट्रेशन को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, देन द आंसर इज द बेटर यूनिट इज योर मोलैलिटी. मोलैलिटी इज better unit to express the concentration of a solution. Now the question is, why molality is a better unit? Because in molarity we have volume of solution. In molarity we have volume of solution, and we know that volume of solution changes with temperature. आपका जो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूशन है ये टेम्परेचर से चेंज हो जाएगा. इफ यू चेंज द टेम्परेचर योर वॉल्यूम विल चेंज. बट मोलैलिटी इन्वॉल्व ओनली मास. इट इन्वॉल्व मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. And we know that even change in temperature will not change the mass of a substance. So even whatever be the temperature, if you increase the temperature, if you decrease the temperature, the molality of the solution remain unchanged. But if you increase or decrease the temperature, naturally the volume of the solution will change, and if the volume of the solution will change, it means your molarity will change. So this is all about your units of concentrations. Thank you.